I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming basic settings, then move immediately into physical checks. First, raise the volume and make sure Do Not Disturb and Silent are off. You want full output enabled. Once done, remove any case and inspect the bottom speaker grill. Use a soft, dry brush or a toothpick at a shallow angle to dislodge debris. Make sure to restart the iPhone after cleaning so the system reinitializes audio services. Now play a ringtone and a music track to compare changes. Next, you focus on software and routing problems because these often cut volume. First, disconnect any Bluetooth or AirPlay devices. The phone may still route sound externally. Then check Settings General Software Update and install any available iOS update. Updates fix audio driver bugs. If issues remain, reset all settings to restore audio defaults without erasing data. You should also record and play a voice memo and test in safe mode-like conditions to confirm whether a specific app or profile is lowering sound. Finally, tackle persistent physical or firmware faults with cautious advanced steps. If grime remains, use short bursts of compressed air and a lightly isopropyl moistened swab around the grill. Do not soak the speaker. For firmware-level problems, back up and perform a DFU restore to reinstall iOS cleanly. If volume is still low after a restore, test with wired headphones and external speakers to confirm whether the internal speaker is failing. If it is, contact Apple support or an authorized repair provider. Troubleshooting tip: if sound fluctuates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.